Whoa, Mom, back that up.
What?
You don't just put those bottles in the trash.
Yeah, Mom, that's not your average trash.
Well, trash is trash.
This isn't trash. This is recyclable. And recycling plays a big role in keeping Fairfax County clean.
Man, do you two need a lesson? Hang on, Mom and Dad, you're about to get schooled.
Well, I just thought everything went to the dump.
Pop, recycling is real.
Recycling is easy. Check it out.
Recycling is real in Fairfax County. Real good at reducing pollution. Real good at conserving energy. And real good at preventing waste. The Fairfax County Code requires all trash collectors to collect recyclables, but not all the trucks are the same. Some companies collect paper separate from other recyclables. Some can collect them all together. No matter how they are collected, these trucks deliver recycling to specialized recycling centers, where the material is sorted and prepared to be sent on to a manufacturer to be turned into something new. All trash and recycling collection companies serving Fairfax County must provide their customers living in single-family homes, townhomes, apartments, and condominiums with recycling service. Does yours?
I never feel like what I do will make a difference. What's the use if I'm the only one recycling?
Recycling is real.
Real if you participate.
Lance and Shirley, Ahmed and Mary, our neighbors are doing it.
Yeah, but I bet that apartment building on Main Street doesn't recycle. I've never seen any bins there.
Au contraire.
Watch.
Fairfax County residents living in apartments and condos should be able to at least recycle paper and cardboard where they live. Check with your management company to see what recycling system they have in place. Remember, it's the law. Any resident can also take their recyclables, like paper, plastic bottles and jugs, metal cans and glass jars, to any one of the county's 8 recycling drop-off centers.
Well, that's nice and all, but how do we make sure that all this material is actually being recycled? I mean, it's like your father said. How do we know that recyclables aren't going to the dump with the rest of the trash?
Mom, just relax. Watch the movie.
When trucks bring waste to the county's trash disposal sites, Fairfax County employees are always on the lookout to make sure trucks are not bringing recyclables. When a truck brings in a load that contains recyclables, the county charges a penalty fee against the trash collector. This way, the county makes sure that all recyclables are going to recycling facilities to be reused over and over again.
You see, recycling is real. Not recycling can be real expensive for all of us.
How much does your community recycle? Class?
50 tons. That's 100,000 pounds.
Yeah, 50 tons.
Fairfax County handles over 1.5 million tons of waste every year.
Each year, we recycle about 500,000 tons of our waste, about 40%.
But when you consider that paper alone makes up about half of everything we throw away, there's so much more we can do.
That's your assignment, to do more. Won't you help?
Recycling is real good. Help us get all our bottles, jugs, jars, cans, paper, and cardboard to the right spot to reduce their impact on our environment.
Recycling is real easy. Just use your bin at home or your nearby drop-off center.
Recycling is real effective. Just get on board.
Recycling is real.
Fairfax County recycles. Call 703-FAIRFAX or visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov for more information.